Let's sort out world bachao. From this world, if you are not follow, you should lead along. If you fail, try over and over again until you reach to ultimate goal. Because failure is the key of success. Because failure is the key of success. Because failure is the key of success. Now I shall discuss our Kolki Puran. I shall read Kolki Puran. Who is Kolki? Kolki is Ram. Kolki is as Ram. Kolki is as Krishna. Kolki incarnated. Vishnu incarnated or Kolki incarnated as Krishna as Kolki. We see Kolki in Kolki Puran. We see Kolki in Kolki Gita. We see Kolki in Bhagavad Puran. We see Kolki in Ramayana. We see Kolki in Mahabharata. We see Kolki in Ram Rasa as Ram. We see Kolki Srimad Bhagavad Gita as Krishna. We see Kolki in Garuda Puran. We see Kolki in Padma Puran. We see Kolki in Surya Siddhanta in Odisha Dharma Shastra. In Odisha Dharma Shastra Surya Siddhanta. We see Kolki. We see Kolki in Bauddha Dharma Shastra. Maitreyi as Maitreyi avatar. As Maitreyi. Kolki was as Maitreyi avatar in Bauddha Dharma Shastra. We see Kolki in Tibetan Dharma Shastra. Thus Kolki Rajaha. We see in Punjabi Dharma Shastra. There are Dasam Grantha, Sikh Dasam Grantha. The name of this Kolki is Singhamukhi Kolki. Kolki was 24th avatar. We see Kolki in Agni Puran. There is a complete of Arja and Arja. We see Kolki there. We see Kolki in Brahma Puran. We see Kolki in Agni Puran. Agni Puran 5,400 sloks in Kolki Puran. We see Kolki in Agni Puran. We see Kolki in Brahma Puran. If we follow the Bhagavad Puran, that is we see Kolki. If we follow the Linga Puran, that is Kolki. If we see Bible Dharma Grantha, Bible Revelation, if we see Bible in Christian Dharma Grantha, that is Kolki. If we follow Bible, Revolution chapter, we see Kolki there, Bible Revolution. We see in Markandeya, we follow Markandeya, that is Kolki. That is Kolki. We see in Ramcharitamanas as Ram, Kolki and Ram is same. We see Bauddha Dharma Grantha. If we see Bauddha Dharma Kala Chakra, that is Kolki. In Kolki history. If we see appearance of Kolki, if we see the book of appearance of Kolki, Kolki is there. If you see Kolki comes to Calcutta, Kolki will be incarnated in Calcutta. Kolki will be incarnated and will become Calcutta. If we see the book of Kolki comes to Calcutta, we see that Kolki. We see that. In the book of Calcutta Kolki comes to Calcutta. If we see Adbhut Ramayana, Kolki has there. If we see Adbhut Ramayana, Kolki has there as Ram. If we see Adbhut Ramayana, we see Kolki as Ram. If we see Ramayana, Adbhut Ramayana, that is Kolki as Ram. Kolki is Ram. Kolki and Ram is same. If we see Mahabharata, Kali Singha Mahabharata, that is Kolki, because Kolki and Krishna same as Krishna. If we see Vishnu Puran, Vishnu means Kolki. We see Kolki Puran. If we see Christian Dharma Grantha, if we see Islamic Dharma Grantha, we see Kolki, Islamic Dharma Grantha. Baha'u'llah Dharma Grantha, Baha'u'llah, 1990. The name of Dharma Grantha is Momin, Mobjan. In this Dharma Grantha, Islamic Dharma Grantha, Kolki was present there. Kolki is present there. বাহাউল্লাহ ধর্মগ্রন্থ। বাক ক্রিস্টোফার, উসি কলকি দেয়া। If we see Jeanshire, Mars, was it Mars? 206 Christabde. We see Kolki there. In Christianity, we see Piles. If we follow Pile, if we follow Robert Ishanshan, Estilel, we see Kolki there. If we follow Starsley, Margaret Reid, that is Kolki. If we see Ved, we see Kolki. If we see Gita, that is Kolki. If we see Upanishad, that is Kolki. If we Dasavatara Statram, if we see Dasavatara, that is Kolki. In this world, we see Kolki in these different books and different dharma granthas and different dharma in this world. We see Kolki in this world. In the world dharma shastra. It is a main name. It is a famous name. The Kolki is a famous name in this dharma shastra. In this Kali Yuga. I describe who is Kolki. Kolki is Ram, Kolki is Krishna, and others. Now I shall decline, I shall narrate, I shall describe what is Kolki. What is the meaning of Kolki? What is the meaning of Kolki? Kolki means dark destroyer. What is the meaning of Kolki? Kolki means number one, dark destroyers. Who destroy the dark? However, Kolki means number one, dark destroyer. Number two, bad destroyer. Number three, not destroyer, dirty destroyer. Lord who destroys all bad work. That is Kolki. Kolki means non-oil destroyer. Non-oil, where non-oil? Who destroy? Who is Kolki? Kolki means white horse rider. Kolki means Kolki incarnated in the future word of Lord Vishnu. Kolki means open sword dhari in hand. Open sword in hand. Open sword dhari in hand. Kolki means two wings horse rider. Kolki means son of Vishnu Jasa. Kolki, bad atmosphere destroyers. Bad atmosphere. As bad atmosphere who destroyed the bad atmosphere, that's Kolki. Bad atmosphere destroyer is Kolki. Bad economic condition destroyer. Bad economic condition. Who bad economic condition destroyed? That is Kolki. I understand about Kolki. I discuss about Kolki. Kolki, who is Kolki? Kolki is the name of Lord Vishnu. I shall describe what is who is Kolki. Now Kolki is the name of Vishnu of 180 names.